So hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to my series on UiPath Data Service. In our last video, we discussed relationship field type in data service. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about the file field type in UiPath Data Service and how you can use it to store and manage documents and other files within that entity. Now let me show you the file field type first and then we can move further. Now we are on the UiPath Data Service page. First, we'll have to open Product Master because I'm going to show you here in this entity. Now let's click on Create New Field so that I can show you the field type, that file. Now you can see here the type. We have one that is file, and you can see the icon attached to that, that is attachment, right? So using that, you can attach a file to that record in the entity. Okay, now let's understand the definition of this. So what is a file field type? The file field type in UiPath Data Service is used to store and manage various types of files such as documents, images, PDFs and other media within an entity. It allows you to upload and associate the files directly with the records in your entities, ensuring that all relevant documents are stored in a centralized, organized manner within the data service. This field type is particularly useful when dealing with the scenarios where you need to link documents like contracts, agreements, invoices, photographs, any documents like PAN card, any ID card, and other type of file to the specific records in your database. Instead of relying on external file storage systems, you can manage everything directly within the UiPath Data Service, which enhances the data consistency and accessibility for the automations. For example, this is especially useful for entities like a vendor master, where we might need to store agreements, compliance certificates, or invoices for each vendor directly in the database. Instead of saving them externally, everything is staged within the UiPath data service. There are many practical scenarios where you will find the file field type useful. For example, we have an employee master entity and we need to store employees' photograph, their documents, etc. So we can store it there using the file field type. Let me show you how to use this file field type. So we'll be using vendor master and then we'll click on create new field. Here we'll be taking like vendor documents, something like that. Vendor document. Now from the type we'll be selecting file. Now click save. Okay. Now we just now created one field, that is vendor documents. Now we are going to store, or you can say upload the files to this vendor documents. We'll go to the data tab and then you will see for 1001 we need to store some documents. So we'll just go right side, scroll here. You can see here for the vendor documents we are getting this icons that says here upload. It means you can upload the files from your computer. So for this one I'm going to upload one file. So select a file from the computer or drop a file, like you can drag and drop like this. So click on that. This invoice I'm going to attach to that specific vendor. Open. Now you can see this has been added here. Now click save. Now this has been attached to that records in the vendor master entity. I'm going to upload for the second one. So let's see. And then this time I'm going to take the second one, that is invoice underscore one merged, this PDF file. Okay, so for the two records we have attached two different PDF files, the documents for the vendors, and that you can access it from the data here. So this file field type is used to upload the files, store the files here in the entity. If you want to edit that, click on that. You can download it, you can remove it, you can change it. For the others, you are getting only clear the value, edit the value. Here we are getting three options: download, change and remove. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more UiPath tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.